Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive at Canberra, Sydney. This is the Audi S3 I was working on yesterday. As you can see, everything's back together. I fully degreased the engine. I've done the service. Pretty much everything is done on this one. It was a oil inspection service plus oil leaks from the top and the bottom. So as you can see, everything's back together here. And I had to run this engine yesterday for about an hour, and I ran the car again this morning for one more hour on idle, because I just want to know if the car is perfect. The reason why, because I don't like to give the car to the customer instantly when I finish the job, because I want to know if the job is 100% correct. If it's not good, I'll tell the customer, sorry, I'm going to take it off again because it's leaking. And that's how I do my job here at EMD Automotive. Testing is very important. Extra time. Actually, sometimes I just do a bit more. Sometimes actually I go overboard, but I prefer it that way. Excessive testing is better than actually handing the keys to the customer and the customer breaks down after a 1 hour drive. So I had the car running for about nearly 1.5 hours yesterday on the hoist. There was no leak from the actual top and the bottom, and I had it running on actually 1 hour this morning. And prior to that, yesterday afternoon, I went for a road test for about, say, 25 minutes on the road. So, and I came back and I double checked again. And I keep checking everything. And I couldn't see any oil leaks in the car. So, especially in the corner there, see at the bottom. Before it was just leak, oil just coming straight out of the bottom. Now, it's hard to see. Let's go underneath the car. So, before I put the under tray back on, this is the under tray. I want to show you what I mean. This is the actual car. See, that's the cover there on top. It's dry. Those marks there is from before, I can't get it out. But the whole sump is all dry, especially the back there and here. Alright. Alright, now I can put the cover back on and I can say, sorry, I only got one hand. A lot of people tell me, why don't you get your professional camera and all that. Actually, I preferred working with the phone because it's actually live at the time, at the moment, right there. There's no, I don't cut the videos and edit. Sometimes I say something different, but there's not much I can do about that. I don't edit videos out, I just, whatever I say, sometimes I have to correct it by typing a comment. Sorry, I meant this. But I used to do it in the beginning, but I don't do it anymore. But the main thing is I'm just showing that there's no more oil leaks for this Audi S3. And if I'm happy, then the customer's happy. If I'm not happy, I'll tell the customer, sorry, I'm not happy. I'm going to take it off again and put a new seal again and see what happens. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.